How to Test for the OWASP Top 10 is a 200-level, 1-hour course and is one of our most popular in the TeamProfessor computer-based training library. The OWASP Top 10 is a listing of the most serious and prevalent security vulnerabilities found in web applications. It's adhered to by leading organizations looking to implement perhaps one of the most widely accepted best practice methodologies around application security. Organizations who address these flaws will greatly reduce the risk of a web application being compromised, and the testing for these flaws is a requirement of the PCI-DSS and other regulatory requirements and standards. This course explains how these flaws occur and provides testing strategies to identify the flaws in web applications. Students should consider taking prerequisite TeamProfessor course, Fundamentals of Security Testing. This course will cover each component of the OWASP Top 10 comprehensively. As an example, cross-site scripting allows attackers to execute scripts in a browser that can hijack sessions or redirect users to a malicious site. You'll learn how to check if all user-supplied input is sent to the browser, validated, and properly escaped, and how you can use static and dynamic analysis tools to find these, along with a manual code review and penetration testing methods. The course will also provide you with the various ways this can be exploited, and then how you can protect against cross-site scripting attacks by encoding data based on its context and performing input validation. Testing for the OWASP Top 10 will also educate you on each of the top 10 vulnerabilities as OWASP publishes them, and that isn't limited simply to attacks. You'll learn the impact of vulnerable conditions in web applications when URL access isn't restricted, when transfer layer protections aren't efficient, and even when simple security misconfigurations occur. Most of all, you'll gain a valuable understanding of the preventative tactics, so you can effectively deliver or validate software applications that map to OWASP best practices for secure development. And you'll benefit from the pop quizzes and interactive exercises to ensure that the information resonates and that you remain engaged in this learning experience. As students finish this course, they'll have a much clearer idea for how useful the OWASP Top 10 list will be and how they can structure testing and QA activities around that list. You'll be able to more specifically identify flaws in applications and know what to do to mitigate the risk that these flaws and vulnerabilities can pose to enterprise applications. Students will finish by taking a final exam to complete the course and certify their knowledge on how to best use the OWASP Top 10 in their testing and development environments. Contact your SI sales representative today at getsecure@securityinnovation.com for a consultation on what curriculum will make sense for you.